One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. And what I got here for you today is a gorgeous 1996 GMC Sierra 1500 4x4 stretch cab. Pretty much a GMT400, just like the Chevy 1500s. It's a nice truck. I'll go give you a once around it, and then I'll go close and show you any of the small damage. You see the brush guard and such. It's got running boards, and it's got the updated alloy wheels. It's all factory. Well, I mean, those running boards, excuse me, are not factory. And that brush guard is definitely not factory. But the truck's all factory, except for having that brush guard and the running boards added on. And the shell. Well, here we go. Here we go. Not trying to mislead you. Just whatever. That's the truck. That's the once around. We'll go close and show you any damage, which ain't much to talk about. Just a few little small things. My name's Nathan. It's 406-546-8748. Call me anytime. The brush guard is in good shape. It's been kind of sprinkling out, so it's got some sprinkles on it. It's missing the, I think there should be a rubber piece on the front of both of these, and it does not have it. The plate thing right here is broken, and it should be mended. In fact, I should plastic weld that. Needs a plug underneath it. It's a clean truck. It's a good, nice, clean truck. Grill in here. Got a couple chips. Actually, that's like something else, like beeswax or something. That'll come off. This here will not, or already did. Clear coat is giving away on the hood, and you can see all in here where the clear coat, this whole patch is given out, and these here is surely to follow soon. Other than that, wheels are in good shape. Just a little bit of marks like these get. And there's a way to fix these up really nice. Inside the fender wells, really clean. It's a clean truck. And down the sides, there's a couple clear coat spots. Not all dinged up or anything. I'll show you a couple little dings. But here, there was vinyl on it. And the minute it touched it, just took all that clear coat right off. So, whatever that is, basically, if you have a truck of this vintage and the paint ain't fell off yet, and it's original paint, excuse me, the clear coat, it's gonna. There's a dent right there. Miscellaneous clear coat spots here. The sticker's in great shape. A little bit of age right there. Everything's pretty good on it. Top, great shape. Got the running lights, which is a great option on these. And it's an SLE. Show you up under the back. Bumper's in great shape. Got some little marks right here. See the axle. Everything's in good shape. The rubber on the bumper, great shape. Missing the tailgate handle surround. And back, super clean. Actually, I just sprayed it out. We've been hauling hay in it. And so it's a good runner. And let's go down this side. Oh, yeah. Nice set of Toyota Open Country ATs. Little titties all over the side and everything. Lots of tread. A few small dings. Here. A little bit of clear coat damage starting. It's like they painted part of this to go along with this or something. I'm not sure, but it all looks pretty good. This part of the paint, it's all original, and it's, you got miscellaneous scratches in here. A couple dings, chips I mean, but hopefully you can see just miscellaneous surface type stuff. There's a ding right here. There's a tiny ding right there. And like I say, this paint just kind of gave away. And like I say, I think everything on it's original except for by the camper shell and that top bed rail. But it's a great looking truck. Same color grille, kind of sporty. And it's got a CB. Now this is kind of wonky. A guy could take it off. The wipers, they need to be sprayed again. A couple chips in the windshield. But it does have a functional CB, so we didn't take it off. It's right there and it works great. 107, 107. It's almost got 108 on it. Door panels are in great shape. Carpets, there's hardly no wear on this pedal, man. Just a little bit on the edge. Nowhere on the floor. I don't have the floor mats. All these handles and stuff, they're all here. They haven't fallen off like most of this stuff. Actually, I think we might have replaced that one. But that one's factory. Hard to believe. The headliner, all is in good condition. Seats are in great condition. A little bit of wear starting right there, but nothing's split, really. Just got a wear mark right along that seam. And four-wheel drive, of course. Back's in great condition. Rugs are in great condition. It might be some kind of... Oh! Ah! He shot water through the thing. That's right, he told me that was accidentally open. So there's a little bit of sprinkles that came in from the back. And other than that... Yeah, you can see that one right there. Came through and he was... Both of them were open. My kids were playing around in it. And he didn't realize it shot water through it. And let's look under the hood and then in the other side. And a beautiful day in the valley. All kinds of cars for sale. Lots of classic. That's a cool last year 97 F250. I mostly got Fords right now. Got an Excursion. But if you're into Chevys, I got that G30 Sport Van coming up. That is a nice rig. If you're into Chevys, I got that Hummer H3T. We're not brand racist or brand loyal. We like all cars alike, as long as they're a deal and they're clean. This car, truck, Vortec, and it's very clean under the hood. Like I said, we just washed it. Didn't do much to this one, just kind of runs, drives. It's a great little truck. And these are getting hard to find in a nice low-mile rig. That's for sure. All the felt under the hood looks pretty stinking great. That's for sure. Okay, that's your under the hood. Let's look at the other side. There's a 5.7. Yes, it is. See that? Wipers could use sprayed. I basically try and show everything I can on these to where you get what you expect. That's my main concern, for sure. Sierra. Got the owner's manuals. Dash is in good condition. That's on there with sticky tape. So, I mean, a guy could take that out. I just left it in. Some people like them, some people don't. I don't know, some people actually use them still. Slight little stain there. These should be shampooed. It's too cold up here, man. This is the first day we've had. We still got snow and ice there a little bit, but it's the first couple days we've had with no snow and ice. I'll give you a test drive now and come back here, and we'll call it good. Nathan, 406-546-8748. We'll hop in and go for a test drive now. All kinds of trucks for sale, all kinds of cars. Back here, different day in the valley. Gonna take a test drive with you on this GMT400 half-ton GMC Sierra SLE 4x4 stretch cab. Truck's only got 107,000. Fires right up right now. One thing I've noticed is it idles pretty much right where it should when you first start it up. However, once you warm it up, let me show you this. See, it's running right there. Once you warm it up a little bit, she seems to want to run it like 12 to 15, 1600. Good driving truck. Couple little chips in the windshield right there. That's about it. Runs, drives, shifts smooth, and that's about the story of this truck. That is right there up to 70, nice and easy, and runs down the road just as nice and sweet as she should. It's got a nice power band, and when you give it the boots, she downshifts and goes, just like that. And shifts again, just like she should. Good rigs. These things are made right, man. They're made to last. They run for a long time. So that's about that. It's a good driving truck, and everything's functional. And it's definitely last of a breed with 108,000 miles. 107,942 as we stock. So, that's it. Just showing you a test drive real quick, and not much to talk about because there ain't nothing wrong with the truck to talk about. It's just a good little runner. And when you get ready to put your foot in it and go, she goes. Like right now. Shifts just great, runs just great. That's about all I can show you on this test drive. Well, I wasn't even going to turn it on again. I was just going to call it that and say that was your test drive. But even on the slowing down, I mean, I'm slowing down, I speed right back up. This thing's got the power band for it. But there's not much else to say about it. Braking good, shifting good, running good. It's a good little truck. Well, that's it. Any questions, give me a call. Nathan, 406-546-8748. Beautiful GMC extra cab 4x. And there's I got all kinds of different stuff for sale. Right now, that's the only GMT400, I think. No, I got one more here. I do have a really nice G30 sport van. Well, I guess the Hummer's kind of a baby Chevy truck, too. Got the Bentley, but here's the GMT400 single cab, 4-wheel drive, 75,000 original miles, 454, 4-speed, buddy. That's what I got. Give me a call anytime. We'll see ya. Have a great day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are. Subscribe, like, comment. Goodbye.